त्यसै मान्छेहरूले भट्टी बदनाम गरेर कसले भन्छ भट्टीमा आइडिया आउनु भनेर आयो त।
Happiness is watching movies together, even though it often ends up with one of watching and the other one falling asleep. Namaste and welcome to Train Gazers. Today we are looking top 10 Nepali movies of 2019. Number 10. Kamat Sher. The story of a stubborn idiot named Sher Bahadur who ends up filing case against his dream that floods his newly purchased piece of land where he has seen his future. As a foreign employment returned from Qatar and a firm believer in the rule of law, he voices against all types of corruption anywhere he happens to encounter, albeit getting backfired most of the time.
तिम्रो बाहरले अंगुर देखाएर बंगुर भिडाइहाल्यो मलाई।
कस्तो आलु जस्तो मान्छे हो के तपाई?
आफ्नो बोली चाहिँ तितो करेला जस्तो।
The movie revolves around the suffering Sher goes through because of his own innocence and idiocy, but he also has his own way of fixing the system or say his life as well.
खोलालाई नि मुद्दा रे।
अहिले त धेरै नजिक गयो, अहिले तिमीलाई नि मुद्दा हाल्दिन्छु नि म।
ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः।
Your sacrifice will make you a martyr. Will you do it?
यदि सोल्जरले कसैले मार्छ भने ऊ मर्न पनि तयार हुनुपर्छ, बुझिस?
Number 9. The Man from Kathmandu. The Man from Kathmandu is a film about an American Nepali man who is half Hindu, half Muslim. The story is all about how he reconnects to the culture and tradition of his country when he detours to Kathmandu, Nepal to find his father. The movie has okay action sequences, can be termed good by Nepali movie standards. Anna Sharma, who plays love interest of Bunty, emotes well and looks hot. All actors have given convincing performance. Bollywood baddie of yesterday year's Gulshan Grover is a star in the movie for Nepali viewers who plays a politician. Rarely do we see movies of such large canvases taking the viewers through the beautiful locals, temples and other architectural marvels of Kathmandu Valley. It has been a while movie goers have seen such physical beauty of Kathmandu on screen. Number 8. Emero Hazur 3.
यिनमा दुई चीज खास हुन्छ, एउटा समय र अर्को माया।
The movie is a sequel and follow-up of the Mero Hazur movie series. The movie revolves around a popular singer. Prem starts loving his fan Aryan. It is a romantic love story and is full of humor. The movie is excellent when it comes to cinematography. The camera work is impressive. Various places of Nepal and the United States have been captured in beautifully composed frames. Drones have been used to generate aerial images whenever necessary. The cast and crew have gone to remote mountains of Nepal and post cities of the United States to shoot a few sequences, and it looks amazing. Even narrow alleys of the Kathmandu Valley and congested rented apartments of lower income people have been filmed realistically. The movie earned staggering rupees 9.5 crore in the box office and became blockbuster hit. Number 7. Appa.
तपाईं मेरो आप्पा हैन र मेरो आप्पा हुनु पनि नखोज्नुस्।
Appa gives the Nepali audience a unique flavor thanks to its setting and the language. The movie is shot in Kalimpong, India, and its characters are Nepali-speaking Christians.
ओ दादा, सन्दकपू जाएगा?
When the scene moves between illuminated townhouses and foggy villages, the audience feels that they are traveling to Kalimpong and interacting with the Nepali people there. However, the uniqueness of the setting is not only the strength of the movie. It presents a complex social drama on the universal theme of parental love beyond blood. But the narrative flow is so smooth and comprehensive that the audience easily understands the message. Further, the movie attempts to connect with the teenage romantic fantasy so that the members of the old and the young generation can equally enjoy the movie. Number 6. Thamaya Thapake. Thamaya Thapake is the continuation of the Chaka Panja series. This latest Deepak Dipa venture is supposedly inspired by a true incident that took place in the village of the far western province. It is the story of 42-year-old comrade BP who falls in love with 24-year-old Dr. Jal.
Comrade, तपाईको एज कति भन्नु त?
42.
क्या मिलेको? मेरो 24, तपाईको 42.
यो मिल्या हैन, बिग्रिया।
Unfortunately, both families have a political rivalry. The movie depicts the problems faced by them during their struggle to give a happy ending to the love story. After the blockbuster success of 3 installments of Chaka Panza series and Satrugati, This is the fifth venture to come out from Deepak Deepa Movie Factory. Directorial chair this time has been given to Dipender Lama, yet it has all the stamps of a Deepak Deepa venture. Strong characters and dialogues, unpredictable proceedings, funny punchlines and rugged ruler outlook that most Nepali movie goers can relate to are the highlights of the movie. Rarely do we as Nepali movie goers get the opportunity to watch movies that are driven by content and not only any overly melodramatic sequences to fool and bore the audience. Another blockbuster hit for Deepak Deepa Company, earning stargaring over ₹11 crore. Number 5. Kabaddi Kabaddi Kabaddi.
10 को 20 दिन भनेर बिहेको जाल रचेको छ।
राम्रो अफर रहेछ त बिहे गरेर तपाईको इज्जत घट्छ
चुप, पैसाको लागि म आफ्नो इमान बेच्न सक्दिन।
मान्छेले पैसाको लागि आफ्नो किडनी बेच तपाई इमानको कुरा गर्नुहुन्छ
Kabaddi 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 is a romantic comedy movie and a sequel of the films Kabaddi and Kabaddi Kabaddi. The story revolves around the character Daya Hanrai, who falls in love with Kashi. The movie turns into a twist when Kashi's mother chooses Dhankaji to be the right man for her daughter.
खै के चलन यो गुरुङहरुको धागो बाँधेर जोडी खोज्ने रे।
पहिले धागो बाँध्यो, अब लगन बाँध्यो नि।
धागो बाँधिदेखि भान्जाले बढ्ने बिर्से जस्तो छ।
धेरै फुइन नलाउ क्या पुसै। तिम्रो छोरी अल्को भएर भर्याङ लाउनु पर्दैन के रे?
Director Ram Babu Gurun has created this entertainer with writer Upendra Subba, his longtime associate in the Kabaddi series. The character in the movie looks so natural that you feel real people are having real life conversation while watching this venture.
दाजु डेटिङ नै पो सुरु भइसकेछ त
चुप, मेरो सिद्धान्तै डकमकिने गरे अङ्गालाले।
All the actors have given very convincing performance. Newbie in the Ram Babu, Dayan Ward, Upasna also looks convincing because of her monogolide look that fits her role. However, she doesn't have much to do except look good, yet hapless. Surprisingly, it is a Kurmo who steals the show with his performance as Kashi's boyfriend. He looks much younger than his lewd days and fits into the character perfectly. His pathetic yet hilarious act when he comforts Kashi's parents, begging for a hand is laudable. Songs in the movie are well timed and hummable enough. Screenplay and editing are in the top form. Flow of the movie is smooth and yet sharp enough as snipping is done at very appropriate moments. Color grading could have been better at times as it looked a bit fainter in the trailer we watched. The movie is blockbuster hit in Nepal box office collecting over ₹11 crore. Number 4. Gopi.
सुधीर गोबर गनाइरहेछ।
गोठालो भएपछि गोबर चाहिँ गनाउँछ त। ब्रिटिस लाउरे हो र अतर बास्ना हुनाले।
The movie's storyline revolves around a character named Gopi who struggles to stay in Nepal despite the changing social and political conditions in the country.
आज तिमी जे खान्छौ त्यही खुवाउने मोडमा छु है।
मलाई नि मै खान मन छ।
दाँत माझेर आउँ त।
The plot of Gopi is about a young and well-educated man named Gopi who narrates the story of his hardship and struggle while pursuing his dream. Despite of regular pressure from his father to go to US,
त्यो अमेरिकाको लागि प्रोसेस गर। अमेरिका त म जान्न। म गर्छु भनेदेखि यही केही गर्छु।
he runs a cow farm in Nepal and wants to be a successful entrepreneur. But he faces several obstacles in his milk business.
पहिले साउहरूले पछाडि जिरो थपेर लुट्थे। आजभोलि ब्याङ्करले आफूको ब्याज बढाएर लुट्छ।
Fighting continuously with all the obstacles, he proves himself that there is always an opportunity for everyone in the country.
ग्राहकको मात्रै हैन, मेरो पनि कुनै कम्प्लेन छैन तपाईको दुधमा।
दुध मेरो हैन, गाईको दुध।
Number 3. Jatre Jatra. Jatre Jatra is a sequel for the movie Jatra. The story revolves around the life of Fanindra, Muna and Joyce after they get released from jail on bail.
सुन्दैछु दाइ भन्नु न सुन कहाँ छ भाषामा
The story takes a turn when they find a bag of gold. The film received positive to mixed response from critics with praise for its performance.
तीन यो एउटा सम्पुलाई है पिचमा बुढी मिसाउन ल्याउँछ यार भोलि उले दुईटा छोरा छ भनेर छोरा पनि मिसाउन ल्याउला रे छोरा रे यस्तो भागभण्डाको कुरो आयो भने म त अर्को बुढी ल्याउँछु
Twists and turns and proper sequel storyline of the film.
शान्त भएपछि नि यो सुनलाई कसरी व्हाइट बनाउने मलाई थाहा छ हाय
सुनलाई व्हाइट बनायो भने त चाँदी बन्छ।
Total budget to develop this film was approximately rupees 1.5 crore. The film has earned around rupees 7.30 crore, emerging as blockbuster at the box office. Number 2. Saili. There was a song that was released 2 years ago on YouTube, which became a runway hit. That song was almost like an anthem for Nepali youths abroad. Inspired by the same track, Ram Babu Gurung has directed the namesake movie. The storyline of the movie is based on the true situation in Nepal, where people are compelled to stay away from families in search of better employment and a better life. The movie revolves around the life of Saili and Pitambar, whose love life starts to get complicated with financial debt. By all means, this is a trademark Ram Babu Gurung movie, the sweet and warm rural society of Gandaki region, staying correct and brave in depicting social norms and caste system. A director doesn't need to show everything he knows, but he needs to show that he knows.
मर्दाको दिन बिस्तारै आउँछ।
दिन आउनेहरू मर्दा भई टपोल्दो रहेछन्। गरिबीले त नामर्द बनाउँदो रहेछ।
भनेपछि विदेश चाहिँ जाने नै भएछ त?
This is the reason why we believe what he shows in his movie. Background score sounds natural and never goes abroad. Cinematography looks natural and all loose ends are tied at the end. Diane Wright takes a step back and essays the role of a supporting actor this time. The movie box office collection was around 42 lakhs. Number 1. Bulbul. Bulbul is a movie about a woman who is waiting her husband's return from Saudi Arabia. She struggles to make a living in Kathmandu by driving a tempo.
नगर है अहिले अर्को टिपमा ल्याए तिमीलाई अनि तँलाई हुँदो रहेछ नि ग्यास्ट्रिक पिनास अनेक थरी रोग पनि तँलाई लाग्दो रहेछ यहाँ बिहान बेलुकै कसरत हुन्छ नि हुँदैन त
The movie showcased the impact of migration on women who are left behind by their husbands in search of employment in foreign countries. The movie won the Best Director Award and Best Actress Award at the country's national awards.
म तपाईँको छोरालाई छोड्दैछु आफूले माथि गरेर नहुने रहेछ
Bulbul was selected for representing Nepal at Oscars, International Feature Film category at the 2020 Academy Awards. The movie didn't earn as expected but was hit, earning around rupees 1.5 crore. Thank you for watching. Hope you like our peek. Please feel free to comment and give suggestions.